Yesterday what we have done, I said क्या किया था? We have finished with, I said that annexation of Bengal region after the Treaty of Allahabad in the 1765. Now, today that we have to see, I said Awadh, then we'll see 6, and then Rajputs or itself in the little amount, and then Sindh, they have been what? Captured. And if I'm talking about the first, it is Awadh. If I am talking about the first, it is Awadh. And then in the Awadh, this is, I said that Eastern UP, Awadh consists of Eastern UP, I said Eastern UP and parts of Bihar, Awadh. So this is, I said that Eastern UP and parts of Bihar, and we saw, like I said, in the Eastern UP, yesterday we have seen, like I said, Bahadur Shah first, Jahandar Shah. Bahadur Shah first was from the 1707 to 1712. And Jahandar Shah was from the 1712 to 1730, and then 1713 to 1719, Farrukh Shah. This is time that he has declared Farman, that is Dastak, in 1715. And then at that time, 1717 onward, the Bengal Nawab formed. So the Bengal has liberated himself and made a new independent state under the Nawab of Bengal. Now, there is a formation of, and Mughal Empire has been started becoming what is very small. In 1722, Awadh also made himself independent. Right now, in 1722, Awadh, in 1722, Awadh made himself independent. Awadh made himself independent under Sadat Khan, under Sadat Khan, Burhan ul Mulk. What is the name I said that? Main name is Sadat Khan. But it is also, you can remember, Sadat Khan, Burhan ul Mulk. What I said that Sadat Khan, Burhan ul Mulk. Understood? Double D. Remember that it is what? Sadat Khan, Burhan ul Mulk. He made, I said that Awadh to be an independent state. So Awadh become independent state. Awadh become independent state in which year? 1722. और आपको याद हो, perhaps you remember that from the 1719 to 1748 there is a Muhammad Shah Rangila. So in which period, यदि बोला जाए in which period, I said that Awadh get independent, it is in the period of, I said that it is in the period of Muhammad Shah, during Muhammad Shah Rangila. During this period, Sadat Khan, who made first Nawab of Awadh made himself independent. Why he made self independent? Because Mughal power was declining. Till 1707 it was what is strong. So till Aurangzeb ke samay mein whole southern region, Maratha, several region, the southern India, I said that eastern Bengals, every region, then Afghanistan, Pakistan, several region was under them. But as it started declining, then everybody, जब आप weak होने लग जाओगे तो क्या होगा? Everybody will start what is making themselves separate. So it is separatism has been started by Awadh also, earlier Bengal we have seen. And that is I said Sadat Khan, Burhan Mulk. Thereafter सादा और किसको कहते हैं? सादा समझते हो? सादा सद्दात खान. कैन यू रिमेंबर? बचपन में कैसे जूते पहन के जाते थे? विच काइंड ऑफ शूज दैट यू यूज्ड टू वियर? जिस दिन पीटी होता था, समथिंग विच इज स्पेशली कैनवास शूज. कैसा कलर था? व्हाइट. हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? सादा एंड सफेद. पूरा उस दिन साफ कपड़ा रहता था. सादा एंड. तो कैसा शूज पहनते थे आप? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ शूज? सादा सफेद शूज पहनते थे. यस और नॉट? सादा सफेद शूज. Now the next ruler was Safdarjung. Safed से can you remember? Safdarjung. I said that. Which ruler I said that? Safdarjung. Understood? Safdarjung. Now हमें ये दिखाना है at last कि this whole Awadh was annexed by whom? Britishers. Understood? And I said that, listen me, this is the reason, and this is I said that Rohillas. ये reason में कौन था? This reason is Rohillas, and this reason I said that Bangas Pathan. Which one I said that? Who was there? Bangas Pathan. Rohillas. West of I said that Awadh, there is a Rohilkhand, and then there is a Bangas Pathan region is there. Both are what is an Afghanis. So Sadat Khan, Burhanul Mulk, and there is an Awadh state has been formed. Now, if I am coming to the Safdarjung, I said that what he did, Safdarjung first what he was afraid of these two Rohillas and Bangas Pathan. Possibly they can attack. Possibly they can. So first what he did, he made friendship with Marathas. He made friendship with Marathas, and thereafter he made friendship with the what? Rajputas. अब इन दोनों मराठास एंड राजपूतास के साथ ये कर लिए तो ये दबाव में आ जाएगा बीच में. Yes or not? तो he made friendship with the Marathas. कौन? Awadh, Safdarjung, and he made friendship with the what? Rajputas. Then automatically he come under the pressure. Understood? For the safety concern, Safdarjung, जो सादा सफेद रहना चाहता, बोलता लड़ाई नहीं करना चाहता हूं, do not come in my way. So Safdarjung ने क्या कहा? Yes, Safdarjung has what is made friendship with which one? Maratha and Rajput. Marathas and Rajput के साथ friendship किया. Against whom? Just tell me. Against Rohillas and Bangas Pathan and their attack. And these are Afghans. These are what? Afghanis. Understood? So, write down. Sadat Khan का लिख लिया आप लोगों ने? क्या लिखवाया था last line? What I have said? Independent state in 1722 during the Muhammad Shah Rangila. After दिखेंगे next Safdarjung. After Sadat Khan, Safdarjung became the Nawab of Awadh. Became Nawab of Awadh. Became Nawab of Awadh against Rohillas and Bangas Pathan against Rohillas and Bangas Pathan, he made friendship with Marathas and Rajputas. Marathas and Rajputas. Safdarjung. Understood? Clear? अब इसी समय सफदरजंग को मुगल एम्पायर ने बुलाया. किसने बुलाया? मुगल एम्पायर हैज कॉल्ड अपॉन. क्योंकि आई सेड दैट देयर इज एन राजपूत, और यहां से कौन आता था? हु इज कमिंग? नादिर शाह, जो कि ऑलरेडी अटैक कर चुका था 1739 में. अंडरस्टूड? और ये जो बता रहा हूं आफ्टर दैट 1739, तो नादिर शाह ने ऑलरेडी बैटल ऑफ व्हाट इज एन दैट करनाल, जो कि दिल्ली के पास ही करनाल है, यहां पर उसने ब्लडी व्हाट इज इट दैट वॉर एंड बैटल हैज बीन टेकन प्लेस. द होल दिल्ली वाज फ्लडेड विद ब्लड. So he was afraid that this kind of situation can happen. Then he called upon Safdarjung that you come and become PM of my Mughal emperor. You remain Nawab of what? Awadh, but you become also Wazir of Mughal emperor. And thereafter, first time Nawab Wazir title has been given. So write down. Mughal empire, इसी सेम लाइन में, मुगल एम्पायर हैज फेस्ड 1739 बैटल ऑफ करनाल. 1739 बैटल ऑफ करनाल बाय नादिर शाह. बैटल ऑफ करनाल by Nadir Shah, and Delhi was flooded with blood. And Kohinoor diamond along with Peacock throne has been taken away by Nadir Shah. नादिर शाह ने लेकर चला गया था. अंडर सच सिचुएशन कौन डरा हुआ था? मोहम्मद शाह रंगीला 1719 to 1748. अंडर सच कंडीशन afraid Muhammad Shah Rangila invited Safdarjung Nawab of Bengal and made him Wazir of. Invited Safdarjung, और ये कौन था सफदरजंग? नवाब ऑफ बंगाल. सॉरी, बंगाल बोल रहा हूं, अवध बोल दिया करो, मैं कहां घुस जाता हूं. नवाब ऑफ अवध. इनवाइटेड हिम अवध and made him Wazir of Mughal empire. Made him Wazir of. Therefore, the first time Nawab Wazir title has been given. To Safdarjung. In the bracket 1748. क्या लिखा हो गया? 1748 में बुलाया गया था मोहम्मद शाह रंगीला, जिस साल वो खत्म हो गया 1719 to 1748. Understood it? And so हम लोगों ने किसके बारे में देखा? सादा सफेद सूज, और सूज के बारे में हम लोग जानते हैं सुजाउद्दौला. अंडरस्टूड? एंड सुजाउद्दौला दो चीजें वो, एक तो उन्होंने 1764 में बैटल ऑफ बक्सर, याद होगा कल, सुजाउद्दौला, शाह आलम सेकंड and Mir Qasim. Understood? And then thereafter Treaty of Allahabad. Through the Treaty of Allahabad, Awadh has given what? Allahabad and Kara. Understood? लेकिन बाद में वारेन हेस्टिंग 1773 से, दिमाग में आप रखेंगे, आई सेड दैट 1773 to 1785, who was there? Warren Hastings. And 1786 to 1793, it was, I said that, Cornwallis. And 1793 to 98, it was Sir John Soar. And 1798 to 1805 was there Wellesley. Understood? He was there, Wellesley. So during the Warren Hastings, अभी हमने क्या बोला? I said that Sujauddaulah after Safdarjung, who was there? Sujauddaulah. And the Sujauddaulah become the Nawab Wazir of Awadh and as well as Wazir of what? Mughal Empire. इसीलिए तो मीर कासिम क्यों सुजाउद्दौला के पास गया था? Because he was the Wazir of Mughal Empire. So therefore the Shah Alam II also come under it. Understood? Otherwise there is no Mughal Empire के साथ कोई और दूसरा नहीं connected था. Therefore he has gone. Understood? And then which has been Battle of Buxar 1764, yesterday we have seen, and Treaty of Allahabad. And through the Treaty of Allahabad, Britishers has taken what? Allahabad and Kara. And during Warren Hastings period, and Warren Hastings ने क्या ध्यान से देखो, उस समय उसने 26 लाख भी लिया था in Allahabad and Kara. बाद में इसने बोला Warren Hastings को जब पैसे की जरूरत थी, and the East India Company was in the loss, he sold Allahabad and Kara to Awadh. Again he made money, and that is known as the Treaty of Banaras. So can you remember, Treaty of Allahabad means Allahabad and Kara has been taken, and Treaty of Banaras means Allahabad and Kara has been sold to Awadh. दोनों में यही है. Understood? So write down. Sujauddaulah in 1764 was involved in Battle of Buxar, Treaty of Allahabad,